Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Stripe to bank account in 2023. Open up Stripe. Sign into your account by entering email and password. Then click to continue. Get started with Stripe. You can share a payment link or send an invoice. Tap on the balance option from top. Here you can see all the balances. Go into the incoming to Stripe. Tap on automatically send daily. Here you can see the bank account is connected. If you want to change the bank, click on three dots and go into Edit Bank Account. You can also change the payout schedule and automatic to every week or month if you want. Also, you can check the accelerated payout speed, in which you get funds in 3 business days. Click on Balance and tap on Where are my payouts? You can see the information here in Payout. Just simply click on Payout and you'll get more information from it. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.